Hi, my name is Kevin Keenan from Corec, and I'm just going to go through the new features in Trimble Fieldlink version 5. So first off, the appearance. So you notice here that the models look a bit slicker, nicer rendition of them, new rendering, and that's all thanks to the Tekla CPU in the background. So it's a new CPU with the Tekla, so we have a new file structure, so it's looks a lot better, quicker on processing, importing new models much quicker and faster than previous versions. So I'll just go through a quick few features. So here in the pop out, you'll notice that there's an extra box here, and that's the limit box. So by selecting this box, you can go in and you can drag and pull and move the model with a limit box. So you can move it in here, so I can just isolate this K, bring it into the middle of the screen and do a rotate and limit the model. Okay, so you can reset at any stage here as well, move it around, you have to reset, and to exit out of it you can just highlight. So you have the usual same ones here as well, the isometric view, top view, the side view, the 2D and 3D views here, and the zoom in and zoom out. What's also a nice feature is I can actually select on the model, hit I on it, and it gives me a rundown of all the attributes. So basically I created this logo in SketchUp, so it's telling me here that it's a SketchUp model. Okay, I can also hit the I button and hit on any of the icons here, and it'll tell me what layer, the lengths, the elevations, and all the details here in the attributes from the model. Okay, so what other features are here? So if I go into the zipper here, into my settings, down here at the bottom of the screen now you have basic transparency. So before it was quite hard to see into details of steel and stuff, so now we can actually go in and have it on solid and wireframe. And you notice the minute I unselected the solid model, there's no more wireframe like solid structure, so all the wiring like triangulation and stuff from the surfaces is no longer there, so it's nice and slick. I can also go into solid state, but this time I can go in and make it more transparent, a bit more transparent, and then fully transparent, so it's easier to see within the model. Okay, so you can see, I can easily see through that model there. Also, it has the old favorites there, black screen, my white screen, blueprint. I'll go back to solid state blueprint. You can see that the model's a bit more clearer now with this new CPU system from Tekla. So if I go in here, I can actually go into my white background again, and I actually can circle the background colors. So you can see there's all different shadings, so no matter what color your model or your texture is here, as you see I have a wooden floor here in the background, I can actually circle through the colors and it makes it easier to see in the model. So I can move it around. So I can still go in here and hit the settings and go into my layers, and you can see all the layers are there as well as before. I can click on the layer and isolate the layers. I can also go in and go into create from model, and you can see now I can go in, click on endpoints and select my points. So it's a lot more crisper, quicker to process the data and slide through in and out models. So that's just a quick overview on Trimble Fieldlink version 5. Just one quick one to mention as well as before with grid lines. So before, when there were dashed lines, you had to make the line solid to create it, but now you can go into intersection and it'll create all the intersection points for you. So I can highlight all them and it gives me all the intersection points, okay? And all endpoints, anything I want there, deselect here, pick intersections. So I can select there and it gives me all the intersection points. So I'll deselect all them. So that's just a quick overview of version 5, which is looking really good. Okay, thanks.